Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to easily blur any part of your video in Canva. Click the Create button in the menu. Next, navigate to the Videos section. For this tutorial, select the Landscape Video option. This will allow us to work with the correct video format for our project moving forward. Select a video suitable for the tutorial. Click to choose it, then add the video to your project timeline for editing. Search for another video by typing your keywords into the search bar at the top. Press Enter to view the results and scroll through the list to find the video you want. Click the first button, then select the desired element on your screen. Next, navigate to the Element Settings menu and choose Videos from the available options. Now, locate a video you want to use. Browse through the available options until you find one that fits your needs. You can scroll or use the search bar to help narrow down your choices. Once you identify a suitable video, click on it to select. This will open the video in a preview window for further actions. To use this video, first select it in your project. Next, navigate to the Elements tab in the sidebar. In the search bar, type Blur to find blur effects. Browse through the available blur elements. Then choose one that fits your needs and drag it onto your video. Click the Blur tool to apply a soft focus effect to your image. Observe how the edges become less defined. Next, we'll move on to the Selection tool. With the Selection tool, you'll be able to isolate specific areas for further editing or adjustments. Add this element to your video by dragging it into the timeline. Position it where you want it to appear. Once it's placed, you can preview your changes by pressing the play button. Make sure the addition looks and functions as intended before finalizing your edits and moving on to the next step. Let's start by playing the video from the beginning. Locate the playhead and drag it all the way to the start of the timeline. Now, click the play button to begin watching the video from the very first frame. If you would like to view the video again, simply drag the playhead back to the start and click play once more. This allows you to review the video as many times as needed, ensuring you have seen all the content from the beginning. Use these steps whenever you need to replay your video from the start. Ensure the blur effect remains visible by checking that it doesn't disappear. Confirm your settings to lock the blur in place for the next steps in your editing process. Click the Share button, then select Download. In the Download options, choose a higher quality setting to improve your video's resolution. Finally, click Download again to save the upgraded video file to your device. Now you know how to blur your videos in Canva. Give it a try! Like and subscribe for more easy design tips.